Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access. Use your personal Facebook login and enable two-factor authentication for security. Next, gather essential business details, legal name, phone, address, and tax ID, so forms are completed without delay. Once you have that, go to Business. Facebook. Choose Create Account, and enter the business name and primary email. Make sure the email is one you monitor. It will receive admin confirmations and security alerts. This gets your account created and ready for asset setup. Now add people and assets. Invite team members with specific roles, admin for full control, employee for limited tasks, and finance editor for billing. Once invited, assign pages, add accounts, and pixels to the business manager so tracking and campaigns are centralized. Connect your Meta pixel to the website and verify your domain in brand safety. This ensures accurate attribution and ad delivery. Also enter a payment method under Settings and confirm billing details, so campaigns can finish by reviewing everything. Double-check roles, permissions, pixel event firing, and billing status before launch. Then create a test campaign with a small budget to confirm delivery and correct audience targeting. Monitor metrics like reach and CTR closely. If ads are rejected or assets missing, first confirm business verification and domain verification. Make sure the user inviting others has admin rights. If problems persist, reassign permissions temporarily or remove, and re-add the asset to refresh access and resolve common sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.